Done.
Sir, please. Sometimes I'm in a fourth one.
Okay. First one. Find sum up to infinite terms of the series. इस सीरीज को आप दो पार्ट बना दो.
Sorry, I missed that.
One is the sum of each first term. 1 half, half square, like that. By 2 power 3 and so on. Second one is the 1 by 2 square, then 1 by 2 raised to 4, then 1 by 2 raised to 6, 1 by 2 raised to 8 and so on. Now individual both became GP. अभी कंबाइंड वाला रखोगे तो शायद जीपी नहीं होगा, बट इंडिविजुअली अभी ये दोनों जीपी हो गए. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ दिस जीपी?
A divided by 1 minus R.
A is the 1 upon 1 minus R. R is the 1 by 2. Second sum, A is the 1 by 2 square upon 1 minus 1 by 2 square. That means first one became 2, second one became 1 by 4 minus 3 by, sorry, upon 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. which is 2 plus 1 by 3, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is the correct answer. by 7 कैसे मिला? Find sum up to 50 terms of the series. Series given 11 plus 103 plus 1005. Next क्या होगा? 10,007
7.
like that. So 11 you can write 10 plus 1. 103 you can write 10 square plus 3. 1005 you can write 10 cube plus 5. Then 10 raised to 4 plus 7 and so on. So one सबका फर्स्ट टर्म ले लो 10 10 square 10 cube 10 raised to 4 up to 50 terms plus सबका सेकेंड टर्म 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to 50 terms. Okay. So first bracket is the sum of GP. ये GP series आ गया. Sum of GP up to 50 terms. Formula. Sum of GP. A into formula 1 minus R raised to N
Upon 1 minus.
upon 1 minus R. And this is your AP. ये आपका AP sequence. Okay. ये आपका GP sequence. GP series. So 10 into 1 minus 10 raised to 50. N is the number of terms. 10 raised to 50 upon 1 minus 10 plus sum of this 50 square. Okay. इसका सम कितना होगा? N by 2 whole into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. D is the 2. So 2 take common. 2 got cancelled. 2 into 50. 2 common, then 1 plus 49. So 50 square. Okay. So you can make it note. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, मतलब sum of n odd numbers to n terms. You always n square. Sum of first n odd numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Is equal to n square. So 50 square कितना? 2500 plus आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो करो, नहीं तो 10 by 9 minus take common from both numerator and denominator, you'll get 10 raised to 50 minus. ये कहाँ से है? Find product of first 5 terms of GP if third term is the 10. Third term 10. Fourth term is what? If GP का third term 10 होगा, what about fourth term?
10 hour,
10 into R. What about fifth term?
10 hour square,
10 R square. What about second term?
10 by R,
10 by R. E1,
10 by R,
10 by R square. Question is their product. So that R square cancelled. 10 raised to find the value of n if a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n with the geometric mean of a and b. What is the geometric mean of a and b?
AB root
Root ab. Okay. The according question, a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 upon a raised to n plus b raised to n is the root ab. This one you can write a to the power half, b to the power half. Cross multiply करो. That implies a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 became a to the power n plus half into b to the power half plus a to the power half into b to the power n plus half. So from these two, we can take common a to the power n plus half into root a to the power half left means root a minus root b plus from these two you can take common b to the power n plus half, then root b minus root a became 0. So root a minus root b take common, so that this became minus. Take root a minus root b common, then 8 raised to n plus half minus b raised to n plus half equal to 0. Implies what? Either root a equal to root b means a equal to b, or a raised to n plus half is equal to b raised to n plus half. Implies a by b to the e power n plus half became 1. 1 means a by b raised to 0. So that implies n plus half is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 1 by 2. ये एक और ये एक. There are two cases, a equal to b or n is equal to minus half. Question was find value of n, so minus half.
Sir,
A question should be mentioned A, B both be positive and distinct. The question में mention कर दो. If A and B both belongs to R plus and distinct. Okay.
sir,
Tell me.
सर वो सेकेंड स्टेप वापस समझा सकते हो?
ये क्रॉस
नहीं
मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
सर, वो थर्ड वाला.
ये दोनों से मैंने कॉमन रखा है, ये दोनों से a to the power n plus half minus a to the power n plus 1 minus a to the power n plus half into b to the power half means root b plus b to the power n plus 1 minus b to the power n plus half into root a become 0. ये दोनों से क्या कॉमन जाएगा?
a n plus half raised to power n plus half.
Yes. Then root a left minus root b.
Yes sir, understood.
Fifth one. TP, TQ, TRB of a GP are themselves in GP. So not necessarily they're consecutive terms. Huh? Any three, these are the any three terms of a GP. They are in themselves GP. Then find the value of P plus R upon 3Q. Okay. Let your GP sequence is the AR square, and so on. What is your TP? For this sequence, what is your TP?
A into R raised to P minus 1.
A into R to the power P minus 1. Like TQ, A into R to the power Q minus 1. TR. Okay. एक minute. It is coincide with your R. Let us take sequence is the X, XY, XY square, XY cube, and so on. Now TP is the X into Y raised to P minus 1. TQ is the X into Y raised to Q minus 1. Here is the X into Y raised to R minus 1. Again, question given, these three are also are in GP. Implies what?
Same ratio.
So you can write, if ABC are in GP, you can write A by B equal to B by C, or you can write B square equal to AC, as you like. Okay. So I'm using TP into TQ, no, TR is equal to TQ square. Okay. If ABC are in GP, then A into C equal to B square. Then X Y raised to P minus 1 into X Y raised to R minus 1 is equal to X into Y raised to Q minus 1 square. That means X square Y raised to P plus R minus 2 is equal to X square Y raised to 2Q minus 2. X square got cancelled. Then दोनों का power same होगा. So P plus R minus 2 became 2Q minus 2, provided Y is not equal to 1. Okay. So 3 terms दिया गया means Y is not equal to 1 हो सकता है. So P plus R is equal to 2Q. Then P plus R upon 3Q. So divide 3Q both the sides. You'll get 2 by 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve these questions. What happened? कोई आंसर नहीं अभी तक। नहीं हो रहा है।
सर और थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए।
ठीक है।
सर फोर्थ और फिफ्थ के लिए वैल्यू मतलब कोई कांस्टेंट चाहिए कि वेरिएबल में चलेगा?
वैल्यू मतलब तो कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए। ये फोर्थ वन में ए बी कहाँ से आ गया जब क्वेश्चन में ए बी नहीं है। Okay. Anything else?
थर्ड सम में k इक्वल टू 0 दिया है, पर x तो x रेज टू 1 से चालू होगा ना?
K equal to 0 to n. Summation of k equal to 0 to n.
सर पर सीरीज में तो 1 प्लस x रेज टू 1 से चालू हो रहा है।
कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है?
x रेज टू 1 से ही चालू हो रहा है सीक्वेंस में।
क्यों? इसको तो मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 1 तो आएगा ही आएगा। ये कितने भी टर्म्स आप मल्टीप्लाई करो, फर्स्ट टर्म तो आपका 1 होगा ही होगा। नहीं, आप ये 3 टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करो, आपका हाईएस्ट डिग्री कितना जाएगा? 4 + 2 + 1 7 होगा। फर्स्ट टर्म 1 होगा ही। ओके। TP, TQ, TR of both upon AP and GP be ABC respectively. Means one AP sequence is there, another GP sequence also there. Okay. तो दोनों का pth term became A, qth term B, and rth term C. Let का AP sequence को मैं ले रहा हूँ A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. And GP का sequence ले रहा हूँ X, XY, XY square, XY cube, like that. What is the pth term of GP? GP का pth term क्या है?
x into y raised to p minus 1.
TP of GP x into y raised to p minus 1. TQ x into y raised to q minus 1. TR x into r minus 1. And it is given C. This one given B. This one given A. TP of AP. AP का pth term A plus P minus 1 into D. This one also given A. And A plus Q minus 1 into D. This one given B. A plus R minus 1 into D. This one given C. So these are the given. Now you have to find out A raised to P minus 1, B minus C, plus not plus, into b raised to c minus a into c raised to a minus b. A. For a, you can write x into y raised to p minus 1 to the power b minus c into, for b, you can write x into y raised to q minus 1 into c minus a, then x into y raised to r minus 1 c raised to a minus b. That you will get x power b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. Then y raised to p minus 1 into b minus c plus q minus 1 into
C minus A.
c minus a plus r minus 1 into a minus b. Am I correct? This became x raised to 0 into y raised to. So what about p minus a? p minus 1 is what? और एक d multiplied divide कर दो. So multiplied d divide d. This one you can write 1 by d, then d into p minus 1 into b minus c plus d into q minus 1 into c minus a plus d into r minus 1 into a minus b, which is here this 1 हो गया, then 1 by d into d into p minus 1, you can write a minus capital A into b minus c plus b minus capital A into c minus a plus आपका c minus capital A into a minus b. If you find out this one, this became also 0. You know, a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b minus capital A into b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b, which is y to the power 0. ये 0 हो गया, ये भी 0. y raised to 0, that is 1. Am I correct? समझाइए. नहीं समझा तो बताओ.
सर
हम्म.
सर वो A रेशियो पर B माइनस C के लिए वो क्या किया आपने उसके अगले स्टेप में?
A, for A, I use this value. For A, I use x y raised to p minus 1. For B, I use x into y raised to q minus 1. For C, I use x into y raised to r minus 1. So when you multiply x power 0, x power becomes 0.
Okay, sir.
Y power this one. Y के लिए फिर for p minus 1, I use second result, AP result. हमारे पास दो रिजल्ट था, एक AP का था, एक GP का था. For p minus 1, मैंने फिर एक d मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर दिया, d into p minus 1. For d into p minus 1, I use a minus capital A.
Yes, sir.
I think this is the correct one. And sum up to n terms of the series. Okay. So do one thing, take 5 common. Then this became 1 plus double 1, triple 1, like that. Nine multiply divide कर दो, so that you'll get 9, 99, 999, 4 times 9, and so on. For 9, you can write 10 minus 1. For 99, you can write 10 square minus 1. Then 10 cube minus 1. आपका वही कोशिश रहेगा कोई एक सीरीज मुझे आ जाए. 10 raised to 4 minus 1 and so on. 250 terms. So 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube and so on up to 50 terms.
Sir, n terms here.
Sir, n terms थी.
Okay, okay. Up to n terms.
Raised to n.
Minus 1, 1, 1, 1, n times. Correct? So now this one became GP. So sum of GP up to n terms. A 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So if you multiply, you will get, but you can keep like this, or you can write 5 by 9, 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9.
Sir,
Yes.
sir मुझे फोर्थ वाले के लिए 1 आ रहा है.
1. So if you expand, actually, what your question asking? K is equal to, अच्छा, k equal to 0 to n x to the power k. तो हर टर्म नहीं आएगा ना, क्या आ जाएगा? आ जाएगा. If you multiply these two, then what you will get? 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. You will get 1 plus x square plus x cube. Am I correct?
Yes.
If you multiply 1 plus x raised to 4 here, then you'll get 1 के साथ क्या आ जाएगा? 1 plus x square plus x cube. X power 4 के साथ multiply करोगे, then you'll get x power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6 plus x power 7. Am I correct? और each and every term आ रहा है ना x का power.
हाँ सर.
So when you multiply these three terms, what about your highest degree? Question is the what is the highest degree?
2n plus 1 हो गया.
1 plus 2 plus 4. जो भी आपका पावर दिया गया ना फैक्टर, ईच एंड एवरी फैक्टर का जो भी हाईएस्ट डिग्री है ना, उनका ही सम आ रहा है. 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7 आ रहा है ना, चेक करो. तो ये जो सीक्वेंस दिया गया आपका कैसे दिया रहा है? 1 plus x, then 1 plus x square, then 1 plus x raised to 4, then next term is what? 1 plus x raised to 8. क्योंकि 1, 2, 4, 8 they are in GP. Then 16, then 32, then 64, like that. Okay. तो n क्या होगा? n will be 1 plus 2 square up to, this is what? 2 to the power 9. इसका ही सम चाहिए. So clearly this one is your GP. Sum of this GP is what? A into 1 minus r to the power n. How many terms are here? Number of terms. N is the number of terms always. What is your number of terms here?
10.
10 terms. So 2 raised to 10 upon 2 minus 1. Or you can write 2 to the power 10 minus 1. That's it. 2 to the power 10 minus 1. So 1023. समझाइए? तो इसका जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री होगा 1023. और आप मार्क करोगे when it is up to 4, तो 4 into 2 minus 1 आ रहा है. Next term, if you multiply इसके साथ 1 plus x to the power 8, then sum of powers will be 15. 15 is the 2 into 8 minus 1. So when it is up to 512, then answer will be 512 into 2 minus 1, 1023. समझाइए?
सर वापस समझा सकते?
Question is the when you multiply these factors, then what is the highest degree? Find the value of n. आप इसको expand करोगे. If you expand summation of k is equal to 0 to n x raised to k, you will get 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on up to x to the power n. So if I compare with this, इसके साथ मैं compare करूंगा, then what is your n? 7.
7.
मैं इसके साथ compare करूंगा, तो when you multiply these 4 terms, you will get x to the power 15. है ना? हाईएस्ट डिग्री तो x to the power 15 होगा, क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी 7 plus 8 15 होगा.
Okay sir.
Okay, what we are getting actually whenever these are in GP, so 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. Your highest degree is the is the 2 into 2 minus 1. क्योंकि 3 मिला ना, 1 plus
Yes,
x
sir.
into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4. Here you are getting degree 7. Then highest degree will be 2 into 4 minus 1. When you multiply 1 plus x with 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. So what is the highest degree? Highest degree is the 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. That is 15. That you can write 2 into 8 minus 1. So like that 1 plus x square. But ये जो each and every term का जो degree है ना, वो GP में होना चाहिए. Up to 1 plus x to the power 512. Your highest degree will be 2
1 plus 2
into
plus
minus 1. तो in short मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया, which is the 1023. और आप लिख सकते हो 1 plus 2 square up to 512. 512 is the 2 raised to 9. तो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन आपको इतना ही मिलेगा. तो ही मिला ना, 2 to the power 10 minus 1.
yes, sir.
इसलिए 2 into 2 to the power 9, 2 to the power 10 minus 1. Right? If x be the arithmetic mean and yz are two geometric mean between two positive terms, consider a and b positive terms. X is the arithmetic mean. इसका मतलब a, x, b are in AP. If a, x, b are in AP, then x is called mean between arithmetic mean between a and b. Similarly, y and z are two geometric mean. Then x, y, z, b are in GP. Correct? Then only you can call y and z are two geometric means between a and b. Then find the value of y cube plus z cube upon 2xyz. So here x you can write a plus b by 2. Or 2x you can write a plus b. Y you can write a into r. Z you can write ar square. B you can write ar cube. Or z also you can write, b upon r also you can write. Okay. Otherwise keep like this. What is the y cube? Question is the y cube plus z cube upon 2xyz. Y cube. Y cube means you can write ar whole cube plus z cube ar square whole cube upon 2x yz. Yz is the ab, a plus b.
A square R.
2x की जगह मैं a plus b डाल देता हूँ. For 2x you can write a plus b. and for yz you can write AB. Am I right? If a y into z कितना आ रहा है? A square r
AB
cube
sir.
ना? That you can write AB. Okay. So you can take a cube common, a cube r cube you can take common, then you have 1 plus r raised to r cube, है ना?
Yes. सर फिर वो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर वाला भी कैंसिल हो जाए.
a plus b आप क्या लिख सकते हो? a into a plus b, a into 1 plus r cube. Am I right? ab you can write
सर AR क्यूब लिख सकते हो उसको.
ar is a square r cube ना? इसको रहने दो, ऐसे रखो. अच्छा 2x की जगह मैं a plus b लिख देता हूँ, and yz की जगह आप y into z, yz you can write a square r raised to 3. Am I right? फिर भी a r cube तो got cancelled. R cube also got cancelled. 1 by a square. Independent कैसे हो रहा है? Sorry, dependent कैसे हो रहा है? कुछ मैंने मिस्टेक किया क्या? Sorry, this is a cube r cube ना? Common is the a cube r cube. Cancelled. All.
हाँ सर, सब कैंसिल.
Answer is the 1. Is that clear? Y cube you can write ar whole cube. Z cube you can write a r square whole cube. 2x you can write a plus b. And y you can write ar, z you can write ar square. That means a square r cube. From numerator you can take a cube r cube common. A cube r cube common, then you have 1 plus r cube. A plus b you can write sum of these two. A into ar cube. A plus ar cube. A common 1 plus r cube, and yz you can write ar into ar square. So all we can cancel and answer is the 1. नहीं है. Like 5th one. X is the arithmetic mean, and AB, X with the arithmetic mean, and A and B and Y. X with the arithmetic mean किसका? Something ABC are in GP. I think x with the arithmetic mean bit x with the arithmetic mean of A and B. And y with the geometric mean between y and c. Question, change the question a little bit. X with the arithmetic mean of A and B, y with the geometric mean of B and C, where A, B, C are in GP, then A upon X plus C upon Y. Is this clear now? Okay. Already ABC are in GP. So I'm considering B as AR, C as AR square. And X is the mean, arithmetic mean of AB. So X क्या होगा?
A
A
plus
plus
AR
B
by
by 2. Okay. That means A plus AR upon 2. This is the X. Y is the geometric mean of, तो ये तीनों GP में हो गए और ये दो तीनों AP में. Y is the geometric mean of B and C. So Y is equal to what? Root BC. Root BC मतलब, or Y square you can write A square R cube. Correct? Then A upon X plus C upon Y. Yeah. A upon X. एक minute. Plus C upon Y. Y is equal to what? Root BC. Am I correct? So which is square root of C by B. ये कुछ न्यूमेरिकल आएगा क्या? A plus B. A plus B can write A got cancelled, but C by B equal to root R. I think क्वेश्चन क्या एग्जैक्टली था? X with the arithmetic mean and a B. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. X be the arithmetic mean of A and B. सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो रहा है ना?
हाँ सर, शायद से क्वेश्चन कुछ और रहेगा।
आई थिंक क्वेश्चन में कुछ मिस्टेक है। लीव दिस क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि नहीं तो हो जाना चाहिए था, कुछ ना कुछ तो इधर आ जाना चाहिए। और ये क्वेश्चन फाइंड द वैल्यू मींस न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू कुछ मिलेगा। where ABC are in GP. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्वेश्चन में, लीव इट। देखता हूँ क्वेश्चन क्या। Find out this one.
सर भेज दिया।
Done. A square is drawn by joining the midpoint of sides of a given square. ऐसे है ना, स्क्वायर के अंदर स्क्वायर. A square is drawn by joining midpoints of the लेट आपका ABCD. तो ये आपका A1 B1 C1 D1, ये फिर A2 B2 C2 D2, like that. The third square is done inside the second in same way, and process continued infinitely. If the side of the first square is the 16 unit, then इसका determine the sum of areas of all squares. अच्छा. If first side length is A, second का side length कितना होगा? Second square का side length कितना होगा?
A√2.
A√2. If it is A, then this one became A by 2, A by 2. So using Pythagoras theorem, you'll get A square by 4 plus A square by 4 square root. A by right. Then
सर A/√2 की हाँ
what you
सर,
say?
हाँ
A√2 थोड़ी होगा, A√2 मतलब बड़ा हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ सर, हाँ
देन ये कितना होगा? A साइड लेंथ का by √2, मतलब ये होगा A by 2. नेक्स्ट इसके अंदर जो होगा वो होगा A by 2√2, ऐसे. तो फर्स्ट स्क्वायर को मैं S1 ले रहा हूं. तीन पार्ट में बनाते हैं. एक बनाएंगे स्क्वायर, साइड लेंथ, एरिया. फर्स्ट स्क्वायर को S1, साइड लेंथ A, एरिया होगा A स्क्वायर. सेकंड स्क्वायर, साइड लेंथ इज द A by √2, एरिया होगा A square by 2. S3, side length is the again by √2, means A by 2, area with the A square by 4. S4, A by 2√2. This one you can write √2 का square. This one you can write √2 whole cube. Area is the a square by 8. And so on. Am I correct? तो एरिया जो आपको एरिया मिल रहा है, साइड एज वेल एज एरिया, दे आर इन जीपी, डिक्रीजिंग जीपी, है ना? तो सम ऑफ एरियाज is what? A square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 4, मतलब 2 square, a square upon 2 cube and so on. So what is the sum of GP up to infinite number of terms?
सर a divided by 1 by r होगा इस केस में.
So for this case you'll get a square upon 1 minus r. R means 1 by 2, which is 2a square. So for this case answer is what? 2 into a, 16 square, 256 into 2, 512 square inverse. समझाइए? अच्छा, मैंने आपको जो सीट दिया था वो क्या एपी का सीट थे?
हाँ सर.
जीपी नहीं था ना? ठीक है, आज मैं जीपी दे रहा हूँ. चलो, थैंक यू एंड बाय. समझा ना ये? ओके, बाय.
Thank you sir. Bye sir.